In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit access to anyone with the link on Google Drive. This process is essential for those who want to manage who can view, comment, or edit their files, and it's especially helpful for sharing documents with larger groups without having to manually add each person's email address. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open your Google Drive. If you're not already there, go to drive.google.com and log into your account. The Google Drive homepage is where you can see all of your stored files and folders, so take a moment to find the file you want to adjust the sharing settings for. It could be a document, a spreadsheet, or perhaps a presentation. Whatever it is, locate it within your drive. Once you've found the file, click on it to highlight it. You should see an icon resembling a person with a plus sign appear, which is Google Drive's universal symbol for sharing. Go ahead and click on this share button. This will open up the sharing settings and show you who currently has access to this particular file. By default, if your file isn't already shared, it might be set to restricted. This means only specific people you invite can view or edit it. To change this setting, look for the section that indicates sharing restrictions and click on it. When you do this, you'll see an option labeled anyone with the link. This is what allows people who have the link to access your file without needing to specifically invite them. After you've selected anyone with the link, you'll notice a drop-down menu that lets you specify the level of access. You can choose whether people can view, comment on, or edit the document. Make sure to pick the option that best suits your needs. For example, if you want others to only see the file without making changes, select Viewer. If you need feedback, go with Commenter, and if you need collaboration, opt for Editor. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a button to copy the link. Click on it to copy the link to your clipboard. Now you're ready to share this link with anyone you choose, ensuring they have the access level you've set. You can do this by pasting the link into an email, chat, or wherever you plan to distribute it. And that's it, you've successfully adjusted your Google Drive file settings to allow anyone with the link to access your file. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your file's accessibility and ensure the right people have the access they need. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.